Good afternoon, everybody. This is a Mushtaba driving school, and we are in Enfield Test Center. We're following a test route from Enfield Test Center. So we got a gentleman here, and Mr. John. So Mr. John, he's going to commentate. He's driving. Is that okay, Mr. John?
Yes.
Brilliant. Okay. So when you're ready, please, I will just give you direction. See if you could commentate whatever we do, like just basic MSPC routine. So mirror, signal, position, speed and look. Brilliant. When you're ready, so drive on from here, please. When you're ready. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Prepare the car.
Well done.
Message punch it from my left mirror, from mirror, center mirror, right mirror over my shoulder. Signal, look over my shoulder again.
Brilliant.
And then move off.
Well done, John. Really good. So you prepared, you observed and maneuver. Well done. Really good. Okay. So at this roundabout coming up, I would like you to turn left, please. What do we need to do?
Okay, so center mirror, left mirror, signal left.
Well done.
And slow down, approach roundabouts.
Well done. That's it. Good.
And then look on my right and see whether it's safe for me to go. Yeah, at the moment it's safe. Turn left, nice and slowly.
And how's the roundabout?
Yeah, it was good.
Good, well done. Out of interest, what is the speed limit in this road?
It's 20.
Good, well done. Good answer. But how do you know it's 20?
So each time I take a new road,
So, yes?
the sign will be there. So I have to check
Good.
the speed limit, move away from this parked car.
Good.
Center mirror, right mirror, move away.
Good, well done.
And then center mirror, left mirror, come to my left lane.
Well done.
And then make progress.
Good, well done. Okay. So we're going straight ahead, please, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
And then when we get to the roundabout, at the roundabout we will go left, please.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so I'll just signal after here.
Okay, what's the first thing?
Mirror, left mirror, signal left.
Well done.
And then slow on approach.
What sort of a speed you're gonna go in the approach, John?
Still 20, so 14, 10, 14.
Okay, 14, okay.
And then 10.
Safe?
Save to 10, yes. Look on the right and save.
Good. Now continue.
And then make progress from here.
Good, so
Still 20.
Okay, what's the speed there?
It's 40, but not until I pass it. I can't go 40.
Good.
So I have to make sure I pass it before. Okay, now I can make progress. Center mirror before I make progress.
Well done. Well done, John.
Closer to the white line.
Well done.
Try not to go over 40.
Well done. Okay, John, when we get to the traffic light, at the traffic light, John, I would like you to go straight ahead, please, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Straight ahead, thank you.
Okay, so straight ahead. Slow approach. Away from the curb. Straight ahead, you said.
That's it, there you go.
Straight
Behind
ahead.
this lorry is
Yes,
good, yes, thank you.
behind this lorry. And then stop, because it's a parked car here. Tire and tire mark.
Well done.
Center mirror. Before I brake.
Thank you, John.
You're welcome. Wow. Okay, center mirror. And they make progress. Okay, traffic light is coming up. Slow down. Okay, let's stop here. Tie and time up.
Well done.
Center mirror again before brake. Green light, center mirror. Right mirror to check, make sure that there's nobody overtaking me.
Good. Well done, John.
Yeah, going to make progress here. Stop, stop, stop.
Well done. That light changed quickly.
Yeah,
didn't it, John?
yeah.
Good. Well done. But you react early. Well done. So when we saw the amber,
Yeah.
you check your mirror, you slow down, you stop. Well done. Good. So by looking down the road, John, what is the shape of the road? The layout of the road tells you what information you get by looking the road down. So how many lines we have at the moment?
We got 2 lines here.
Okay, good. So now we're going
Yeah.
ahead.
Yes.
So what is the layout of road tell you what might happen as we go ahead?
Yeah, I think the road ahead of us looks like it will merge as we go along.
Good. Well done. So what do you need to do? Which mirror are you gonna check?
So check center mirror, right mirror.
Good. Well done. Why? Why are you checking center mirror, right mirror?
Checking center mirror to make sure what is happening behind me, and then right mirror to make sure that there's nobody coming across or overtaking me.
Good. Well done.
Center mirror, and then make progress. Right mirror and come to this lane. Okay, slow down. Okay, I should have stopped for the bar to go, isn't it? Yeah.
What did you learn from that?
Yeah, I need to look ahead quickly and react quickly.
Okay. What are you gonna do next time?
I'll stop.
Good. Well
A lot
done.
of better.
Can I leave responsible?
Yes.
Good. What you need to do now?
Progress.
Okay.
This is bus. Stop, so I can use it.
Okay.
It's not bus lane.
Good.
Make sure away from the curb though.
So what do you need to do? How often do you check your side mirrors to see where the car is?
Yeah, frequently.
Good.
If
Good.
I can, yeah.
And what information can you see now?
7 to 7 p.m. We are not allowed to. That's the bus lane there, away from the bus lane. Away from the bus lane, not to hit the curb. Close to the white line,
Good. Well done.
and then make progress.
Good. So now it's downhill. What do you need to do?
Just slow down, because it's dirty here actually.
Good. Well done. Continue ahead, John.
Yeah, the traffic light may change at any
Good.
time,
That's
so
it.
just be
Continue.
aware of that.
So this is the junction, John.
Yes.
We're going right.
Right,
Yes?
yeah.
So which lane are you going to stay in
Okay.
this
That's
junction?
the one. The middle lane.
Okay. So we've got 4 lanes.
Yeah,
Lane
4
1,
lanes.
2,
Yes,
3. Which
right.
one?
the third lane.
Okay, good. So
Yeah.
show me where you're gonna.
Yeah, so that's 1, 2, 3. So I'm staying here, and that's away from the tire and timer.
Brilliant. Okay.
Yeah,
So what is the reason? So you got 4 lanes.
Yeah.
The left goes left only, correct?
Yes.
Line number 2 goes straight ahead.
Yeah.
Line number 3 and line number 4
Yeah.
goes right, but line number 3 goes ahead as well.
Yeah.
So what's the reason you stay in the lane 3 while you're turning right?
Right. So the main reason for lane 3 is because it will be easier for me to turn to left as opposed to taking the right lane, which goes
Okay.
on to the right. To be difficult if I choose
Brilliant.
that lane.
Okay, good. What do you need to do now?
Yeah. So let's accelerate, and then that's it.
Okay, and signal as well.
And signal, yeah. And then go here, and then a bit more here, and then stay on the left.
Good, well done.
Yeah. Okay, and then slow down because there's a parked car there.
Brilliant. Okay, so now the roundabout, we're going second exit straight ahead. Okay,
Okay.
well done.
Second exit straight ahead.
Thank you.
Okay, center mirror and then move off. Check the right mirror.
Good.
Okay, traffic light is coming up.
Okay. What color is the traffic light?
It's right, red. So
Okay.
slow down here.
Okay.
Try not to block the entrance. I'll stop
Okay. So
somewhere here.
where? Show me.
Here. 'Cause I don't want to get too close to. Yeah, that's it. Center mirror before I stop. Okay. Center mirror, and then start to move.
Good. Well done. Continue then.
Yep. Okay, away from curb, closer to the white line. Take the shape of the road, closer to white line, and come to the left.
Good.
Okay. And then center mirror, left mirror signal left,
Good.
and then accelerate. Okay. Okay. And then okay, so bend the curb.
Perfect. Now continue straight ahead, please.
Yeah. Bend straight. 40 here.
Good. Well done. 50. Okay. So the next roundabout, third exit to the right.
Okay, next roundabout, third exit to the right. Okay, right mirror, now, and then move to the right. Slow down, the traffic light coming up. Okay,
Good.
stop,
Well done.
and then stop here.
Brilliant. Okay.
A bit more closer, tire and time up. Center
Okay.
mirror,
Good.
stop here.
Okay. So the roundabout coming up, third
Third
exit
exit.
to the right.
Yeah, third exit.
A121. Okay.
A121, yeah.
Okay. Can you please comment it when you get there? Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Good.
Center mirror, right mirror, and then move up.
Okay. Good.
Okay. Stay on my right lane.
Okay. So remind me which exit we're gonna go.
Third exit.
Okay. What do you need to do now?
Slow and approach. Center mirror, right mirror, signal right. Slow and approach the roundabout.
What sort of speed you're gonna go on that
Maybe
approach?
10, 14.
Okay. Good.
And then slow down and look on my right. Slow down and look on my right. Yeah, safe? Yes, it's safe.
Good. Would you like to count the exit?
Yeah, 1. Slow
Okay.
down. Yeah, 1.
Yes.
And 2.
Which one is 2?
This one.
Yes. What you need to do
And
now?
then mirror signal left.
That's it. Good. Well done. That's it. Continue now.
Yes. Slow down for this lorry. A121.
That's it. Now continue, please.
Yeah, sure. And away from the curve, that's 40 here.
Thank you. Good. Okay. So the next round.